Top 5 countries with the most billionaires in 2025 inches. Ever wondered where the world's richest people live? Which countries produce the most billionaires, and why? In this video, we're diving into the top 5 countries with the most billionaires as of 2025. From tech titans and real estate moguls to fashion kings and crypto pioneers, you'll be surprised who tops the list. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more eye-opening content like this. 5. Germany, around 120 billionaires. At number 5, we have Germany, the economic engine of Europe. Germany is home to around 120 billionaires, with wealth built mostly in automobile manufacturing, pharmaceuticals, and industrial products. Think BMW, Volkswagen, SAP, and the Aldi supermarket empire. Fun fact: the Albrecht family, who owns Aldi and Trader Joe's, are among Germany's richest dynasties. 4. India, over 150 billionaires. Coming in at number 4 is India, with more than 150 billionaires. India has seen a massive rise in wealth, thanks to booming industries like tech, pharma, renewable energy, and infrastructure. Notable names: Mukesh Ambani, head of Reliance Industries, and Gautam Adani, the infrastructure and energy magnate. India's billionaire boom reflects its fast-growing economy and global tech presence. 3. United Kingdom, around 130 billionaires. At number 3, we have the United Kingdom, with around 130 billionaires. London is one of the world's biggest financial hubs, attracting both homegrown and foreign billionaires. Many UK billionaires made their fortunes in finance, real estate, retail, and even sports. One standout example: Sir James Dyson, the inventor and entrepreneur behind Dyson vacuum cleaners. 2. China, over 400 billionaires. In second place is China, with over 400 billionaires. Despite economic slowdowns and government crackdowns on tech, China continues to produce billionaires in e-commerce, AI, manufacturing, and green energy. Names like Jack Ma, Alibaba, Pony Ma, Tencent, and Zhong Shanshan, bottled water tycoon, are global icons of Chinese wealth. The rise of Shenzhen and Hangzhou as tech cities plays a huge role in this billionaire explosion. 1. United States, over 750 billionaires, and unsurprisingly, the United States tops the list with more than 750 billionaires. America's wealth is driven by technology, finance, media, and retail. Think Elon Musk, Jeff Bezos, Mark Zuckerberg, and Warren Buffett. Silicon Valley, Wall Street, and Hollywood make the US a breeding ground for extreme wealth. The American dream is still alive, for some, at least. So, here's the final ranking. 1. United States. 2. China. 3. United Kingdom. 4. India. 5. Germany. The billionaire race shows no sign of slowing down, as innovation, global markets, and ambition continue to drive extreme wealth. Which country do you think will dominate in the next 10 years? Let us know in the comments.